Dr. Delbert Blair, an esteemed engineer, research scientist, metaphysical teacher, and historian, has been at the helm of the Meta Center in Chicago for over 5 decades, beginning in 1973. Prior to his leadership role, he served as a pastor in his own congregation, offering insights and wisdom, having graced over 200 forums. His lectures cover a wide array of topics, including, but not limited to, the facts and myths about 2012, the 18th dynasty of Egypt, and the intriguing notion of a Black woman's face adoring the pyramids of Mars. In the early 1970s, he found himself at a UFO convention where he encountered two fellow Nubian individuals, one of shorter stature and the other notably taller, both sporting afros. Initially hesitant, they eventually approached Dr. Blair, expressing a profound interest in conversing with him. What followed was a riveting exchange where time seemed to warp, with questions answered before they were even posed, hinting at telepathic abilities. Moreover, these individuals remained unperturbed by racist remarks and even conversed in an unfamiliar tone. Their encounter culminated in the display of a luminous watch adoring the taller brother's wrist, followed by an enigmatic directive to observe the night sky over the next 3 days. True to their word, Dr. Blair witnessed a spectacle of bright lights and UFO craft, sparking speculation of an encounter with beings from Alpha Centauri. A triple star system featuring Alpha Centauri. And Alpha Centauri. B, Dr. Delbert Blair subsequently shared this remarkable tale, asserting the reality of extraterrestrial existence, their striking resemblance to humans, and their ability to seamlessly integrate into our surroundings.
I have to explain to you how this really hit me. I was forming a question to ask him, and I felt the question was trite, that it might make me feel like I wasn't a big mental giant, and I was kind of wrestling with whether to ask him or not. And then he went ahead and he answered it, and I'm wrestling with this other answer, and I said, wait a minute. I said, I didn't say that to you. I said, I was thinking that. I said, I didn't say. And then finally, my little braggadocious self kind of began to get itself in hand. I remember I stepped back away from him. And I said, who are you? He said, that's not important. I told you that I came a long way to answer your questions.
The Meta Center, for over 60 years, has been a space where you can freely research, learn, and share with others about whatever may interest you. Free classes where many are learning about science, AI, engineering, metaphysics, wellness, and more. Here, you'll find many supplements for your well-being, such as monatomic gold powder, which was allegedly used by the pharaohs of ancient Egypt. We are also the largest herb supplier in Chicagoland, with over 70 organic, wild-crafted herbs, mushrooms, roots, barks, berries, fruits, and leaves, which have been used for thousands of years for a variety of purposes. We thank you for your continued support. To learn more, visit us at metacenterchicago.com or give us a call at 708-668-4909. Until the next time that we speak, take care.